Most people think aging is only about time, but it's not. Aging is controlled by a few signals inside your body. Sense the signals and the way you age changes too. In this video, I'll break aging down into 4 pillars: diet, sleep, exercise, and light. We'll go through each one clearly one by one and discuss what helps, what harms, and what actually matters. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where aging speeds up and how to slow it down in a practical way. If you master these 4 pillars well, you can see yourself literally reverse aging within just 2-3 months. So, without wasting any time, let's start the first pillar, which is diet pillar. What you eat decides how well your body repairs itself. Every day your skin, muscles, brain and organs are breaking down a little. Aging speeds up when your body does not get the right raw material to rebuild. Let's start with the collagen. Collagen is the main protein in your skin. It keeps skin firm, smooth and elastic. When collagen breaks down faster than your body can rebuild it, wrinkle appears. Studies show that taking collagen by mouth improves skin hydration, elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Collagen supplement and bone growth both works because they supply the exact building blocks your skin needs. Collagen is rich in an amino acid which is called glycine. Glycine is not just for skin. It helps control inflammation and support repairs at the cellular level. In animal studies, diet high in glycine increased lifespan by about 4 to 6%. For humans, getting enough glycine helps your body stay in repair mode instead of breakdown mode. A practical target is about 5 to 15 grams of collagen per day, which you can get from a scoop of collagen powder or a cup of bone broth. Next are omega-3 fats. Omega-3 fatty acid, especially EPA and DHA from fish and fish oil, protect your cells from aging damage. Large human studies show that omega-3 intake slows biological aging markers measured in DNA. Other long-term studies found that people with high omega-3 levels had less telomere shortening over time. Telomeres are the protective caps on your DNA, and when they shorten faster, aging speeds up. A good target is about 1 to 3 grams of omega-3 per day. You can reach this by eating fatty fish a couple of times per week or by using a fish oil supplement. Now let's talk about fat balance, because this is where many people get confused. Omega-6 fats are not evil. Your skin actually needs some omega-6 fats to maintain a healthy barrier. The problem is excess. Modern diets overload omega-6 fats from processed seed oil, which can push inflammation higher. Omega-3 fats do the opposite. They help calm inflammation and protect skin collagen from UV and oxidative damage. The goal is balance. You do not need to eliminate omega-6, but you should avoid drowning your diet in cheap vegetable oils. Use olive oil, eat whole foods, include fish, and avoid pouring seed oil into every meal. Though beef tallow, butter, and ghee is the best for cooking. Now, saturated fat. For years, saturated fat was blamed for everything. Newer research does not support that fear, especially when saturated fat comes from real food. Saturated fat is one of the best fats for hormone production, cell membrane, and skin structure, second only to omega-3s. Large population studies have found that higher total fat intake, including saturated fat, is linked to better skin elasticity and fewer wrinkles. That doesn't mean eating junk foods. It means your body needs stable fats like butter, ghee, coconut oil, eggs, and animal fats to keep skin strong. Removing saturated fat completely can backfire and harm skin health. Moderation and quality matters more than fear. Now let's talk about creatine. Creatine is known for muscles, but it's also an anti-aging compound. Studies in older adults show that 5 grams of creatine per day improves muscle strength and energy. Creatine also supports the brain by helping cells produce energy, especially during stress or poor sleep. Preserving muscle and brain tissue is a major part of aging well. You can get small amount of creatine from meat, or you can take a simple 3 or 5 gram supplement. It's one of the most studied and safest supplement in humans. Vitamin A is next, especially real vitamin A. Active vitamin A, also called retinol, is found in animal foods. It plays a direct role in skin repair and cell renewal. In one study, women who took oral vitamin A along with a topical retinoid saw smoother wrinkles than those who using cream alone. Plant sources like beta-carotene do not convert well into active vitamin A for many people. Good sources include eggs, liver, oily fish, and carefully dosed retinol supplement. Vitamin A helps your skin renew itself properly instead of aging unevenly. Astaxanthin is another powerful anti-aging nutrient. It's a red antioxidant found in aloe, krill, and salmon. Human studies show that taking 6 to 12 mg per day of several months helped maintain skin firmness and prevented wrinkle worsening. Astaxanthin protects skin from sun and oxidative stress from the inside. You can get it from wild salmon or a small daily supplement. Vitamin C is essential for all these to work. Vitamin C is required to make new collagen. Skin cells stores high amount of vitamin C because it helps build collagen and neutralize sun damage. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot repair skin properly. A daily intake of around 500 to 1000 mg from fruits like citrus, berries, or from a supplement support ongoing skin repair. Antioxidant-rich foods also matter. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and teas contain compounds that protect cells from damage. Green tea polyphenols, fruit carotenoids, and plant antioxidants have all been linked to better skin aging outcomes. Eating a variety of colorful foods gives your body a wide range of protective tools. This is not about eating plants for fiber, but for targeted protective compounds. Now, what speed aging up? Sugar is one of the fastest way to age your skin. High sugar intake forms compounds called advanced glycation in products or AGEs. These stiffen collagen, making skin sag and wrinkle. Refined carbs act similarly. Fried, grilled, and heavily processed foods also increases AGEs. Cutting sugar is not just about weight; it directly slows visible aging. Refined grains and seeds oil often work together to increase inflammation. Diets high in refined carbs have been linked to more skin aging in studies. Oils extremely high in omega-6 like soybean, corn, and sunflower oil can push inflammatory pathways higher when consumed in excess. A better approach is to limit refined grains, focus on whole foods, and eat best to avoid refined oil at all costs. Now finally, hydration. Drink enough water, but also eat water-rich foods like cucumber and lettuce. Hydration supports skin volume and function. If your diet is not perfect, a broad-spectrum antioxidant supplement such as mixed carotenoids can help fill gaps. The key is consistency. Aging slows when your body gets steady support, not occasional fixes. This is the diet foundation, part 1 of this video. Part 2 will focus on the rest 3 pillars: sleep, exercise, and light, which will be released soon. So stay tuned. This is Health Max. Thanks for watching.